Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to install a closure wig from Lemoda hair. Inside the package, I received the wig that I'll be installing, a wig cap, an elastic band, and some lashes. The wig that I received is a 5x5 250% density HD wig. I braided my client's hair down in 10 straight backs. Then I slicked her edges back with a holding spray. The first thing that I do after that is place a cap on my client's head. For the cap, I use a sheer stocking that I get from my local beauty supply store. To hold the cap down, I use a thin layer of my Erica J sports adhesive and I place it across my client's hairline. This is how the wig came out once I bleached and plucked it. And now I'm just placing makeup on the cap to blend with my client's skin complexion. For this install, I'm using cream foundation number 12. When I cut the cap off, I try to get as close to the layer of glue as possible, just so that once I apply the glue to stick the wig down, the install isn't messy and the cap doesn't roll back. I stopped placing makeup inside of the wig on the lace. I started placing it after I melt the lace down with the glue. I used that same makeup and I placed a dotted line down. Once I moved the wig back, I retraced my dotted line just so I can know exactly where to place the glue and I can see it better. Before placing the first layer of glue down, I used an alcohol pad and I cleaned my client's hairline where the glue will lay. I used 3 layers of Erica J sports adhesive and now I'm gonna place the wig down. I start with the middle and once I line up the part with the center of my client's head, I use my finger and press down firmly so that spot can be secured. Now that the lace is completely glued down, I used the Ruby Kiss Cream Foundation number 12 and I placed it on top of the lace so that it can match with my client's skin tone. Before I installed the wig on my client, I washed it with some silicone mix, and now I'm just re-wetting it to bring the curls back. This is what one side looks like after I wet it completely and applied some moisturizer. I let the band sit on my client's head to melt for about 20 to 30 minutes, and these are the results. To clean the part up, I'm using my black Sharpie and covering all the parts that were over bleached. these are the finished results. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Continue watching for more clips of the finished look. Thanks for watching.